Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karishma and today we're going to make some yummy prawn curry. This is a fairly simple dish. We need to roast a handful of ingredients, after which we'll grind it in a mixer, and most of our work is done there. So I'm taking about 2 roughly chopped medium onions, and I've put that in a pan, a dry pan. I've not put any oil, I've not greased it in any form. And I've also put some fresh coconut in it. We are going to dry roast these ingredients. You can roughly chop up the coconut, you don't need to shred it beforehand or anything, because this is ultimately going in the grinder. I'm then going to add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon each of sesame seeds and poppy seeds. I'm going to then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and some dry Kashmiri chillies. You can either break this up and roast it or just roast it whole. It's a bit tough to break if it's not soaked. If you want, you can soak it in some water for about half an hour, and then it's easier to break. But again, since it's all going to go into the grinder, you don't have to worry much about it. Now I'm just going to pop this into the grinder. Remember to allow the mixture to cool, that's important, before you start grinding this. Never grind a hot mixture. I've added a bit of water, and now I've added some ginger garlic paste. The water quantity you have to add as per need. Just ensure that it's enough to get the mixture going. Once this is well grinded, ensure that it is very fine as a paste. I've added it in some oil in a pan. Again, something that's really critical is you need to allow this masala, this mixture, to fry well. It shouldn't be raw in any form. The coconut and the onion needs to fry well. So this process can take up to 15 to 20 minutes. On a medium fast stir for about 5 minutes, followed by a medium slow stir for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm just grinding some tomatoes in the same grinder. I haven't washed it, that's fine. And meanwhile I'm adding some curry leaves in this masala paste that's being fried. Now I'm adding some salt as per taste. And I'm adding the tomato paste that we made. Do all of this in an interval of around 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm adding some garam masala after about 10 minutes of frying this entire mixture. Now allow this to fry for at least another 10 minutes more on a slow stove. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for your support and your encouragement. It means a great deal to me. Do try out this video, do try out this recipe. If you like it, please put a thumbs up and comment and let me know how the recipe tried out. It'd be great to hear from all of you. Now I'm adding about 1.5 cups of water to this mixture. And then I'm going to add the shrimp in. You can also make the same recipe with any kind of fish that you like. I'm using prawns today. And now I'm going to add some tamarind water. This brings a nice tanginess to the curry, and this completes the process. Always add the tamarind water after the fish is cooked, otherwise it will hamper the process of the fish cooking. And because fish takes just about 2 minutes, or any kind of prawn that takes 2 minutes to cook, you do not want to hamper the process because it is a delicate one. As soon as the bubbles start coming, we need to close the stove because, as I said, we don't want to overcook the shrimp and make it tough. There we go, some absolutely delicious prawn curry. You can serve this with some steamed rice and some onion salad and have an absolutely delightful meal. I hope you like it. Do subscribe and take the time out to make this. Happy cooking!